Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Vivo Y21S. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Now let's find an app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Here move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. Last is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Here also there's more permissions like auto start permission. If it's available, you will need to grant it. Enable show on a lock screen if it's also available. And permissions. On this phone it doesn't have this permission, so you can leave it, and also full screen mode, which was not available there. Let's proceed. And from here the app is ready. We can see 4 different tabs: user, system, active and settings. In user you can enable any apps to receive custom LED lamp notifications for them. In system you can do the same thing but with all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings there's also ads, And in the settings we can customize a LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or a color. Click on the test button to see the LED lamp and it should be placed right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.